Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide, and today's video we are going to be testing out the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus brand new feature, the Wireless PowerShare. This feature gives you the ability to use your S10 Plus as a power bank and reverse the wireless charging by wirelessly charging your earbuds, smartwatches, or your smartphone devices. When it comes to specs, S10 Plus has a 4100 mAh battery. Reverse wireless charging only supports 9 watts instead of the 15 watts, so the charging might be on the slower side than usual, but we will see how it goes when we charge this Note 9. So I've got my Note 9 here and the battery is pretty much completely dead. I'm going to try to attempt to charge it with my S10 Plus and see how long it will take. And also at the same time, we'll keep an eye on the battery life on the S10 Plus and monitor the heat while doing this test. Both devices will have their cases on. We will try to make this test as real as possible as you would in a real world situation. So without further ado guys, let's get started.